Hi guys, today we are going to see power factor terms, that means power diagram terms. Let's see, this is one the simple power diagram. Let's see, this is for incoming, then this will come for air circuit breaker, then these are the loads, load 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very important terms in power diagram, the incoming ampere rating, then outgoing ampere rating, then how much load we connected in the load side. See here, loads rating will be written in here. Then another one important thing, cable size, mostly not required for power terms. These are the things will be required for cable size, will be required for installation power, that means installation team 150 single core. These are something like that. Now we are going to see first term, that means maximum demand. What is meant by maximum demand? Maximum demand is most highest current carrying at the circuit is called maximum demand. Most highest current carrying up the circuit. In this circuit, 300 ampere is the maximum demand. In 300 ampere having a 70 kilowatts per load. So this one is maximum demand of the circuit. Okay. Then next one, average load. Average load, that means sum of loads divided by number of loads. Just see here, 6 watts, 70 watts and 25 watts and 14 watts and 7 watts. Okay, 6 plus 70 plus 25 plus 14 plus 7 divided by and 5, that means 147 divided by 5, it is 29.4 kilowatt. This is average load. Okay, this one is average load. Then next term we going to see total load. That means this one, 147 kilowatt. This is total load. Then now we are going to see demand factor. This is a very important factor for power calculations. Demand factor. See, demand factor means maximum demand divided by total load. Mostly demand factor is lesser than 1. Now maximum demand is 70 kilowatt and total load is 147 kilowatt. So we have 0.4 demand factor. This is demand factor. Then next diversity factor. Diversity factor is sum of individual load maximum demand. Sum of individual maximum demand divided by maximum demand on power system. Maximum demand on power system. Sum of individual maximum demand, then maximum demand on power system. We know maximum demand on power system is 70 kilowatts. This one 70 kilowatts. Now sum of individual maximum demand on power system, that means we have a lot of loads. The loads are load 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 in 8 pm, 9 pm, 6 pm, 4 am, 2 am. In various load in various time period. This is for 6 kilowatts. Already we mentioned in here. Already we calculated in 147. Seven, 14, 25, 70 kilowatts. 147 kilowatt. So take this 147 in here. Just divide this. This will come something 2.1 something. Because of diversity factors always greater than 1. Diversity factor always greater than 1. The diversity factor will be useful to mention for more than 1. Next we see load factor. Load factor means average load in time divided by maximum load during given a period. Given a period. Okay. How we calculate this one? Already we know average load. One total load divided by number of loads by 29.4. This is our average load. So take this 29.4 maximum demand or during period. That means a different period. So we take maximum demand on period as 147. 147 divided by 229 means 140. Sorry, 29.4 divided by 147. What is mean? 0.2 into 100. In percentage, we calculated 20% of load factor. In another one simple example, in 20 HP motor, the another one Another one method, very simple example, 20 HP motor. At the time of switch it on, it consists 15 horsepower. So load factor is 15 divided by 20, 75%. This is load factor. So the load factor is a very important term for cost determinant of the per unit. Cost determined per unit. In overall. Then another one thing, we are going to see utilization factor. What means utilization factor? Utilization factor means utilization factor means time that equipment is in use divided by total time that it could be in use. If we have one motor, we use per day for 7 hours. For it is mostly calculated by 7 into 36 per year. So we take per year. So 760 hours per day we use for 7 hours. So 2,555 hours. So this is called utilization factor 0.291. That's calculated in percentage 29.16% utilization factor. This is a very important terms for power systems. Thank you very much guys. We see you for next video. If you got some useful points, please subscribe.